Yeah, in case of you met with an accident or somebody beaten by his wife, so maybe he got some fractures. So in that case, you can use these plates.
So what brings you here in the exhibition?
We are in this exhibition, India Health. Basically, we're always looking for new friends, which we call distributors, our channel partners.
Right. So अब हम खड़े हैं KK Industries के सामने और यहाँ पे कुछ different है. Something that is used while learning medical.
These are for direct learning.
Okay.
Okay, so they can learn how to find the vein.
अच्छा.
Like this is all skin like soft.
अच्छा.
So they can find the vein. They can insert the IV line, the needle.
And we are dealing in different categories of wipes, like bed bath wipes that particularly used in hospitals.
अच्छा.
These are the refreshing wipes, mainly youngsters and everyone we are generally used.
To remove the makeup and इनकी क्या range होगी?
ये हमारे स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं 24-25 हज़ार से स्टार्ट होके अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 लाख रुपए तक का मॉडल है. ये सबसे हाईएस्ट टॉप मॉडल है.
अच्छा.
ये हाई एंड लो मॉडल है.
Okay.
ये अगर जिस कंट्रीज के नर्सें छोटी हैं, किसी से बड़ी हैं.
हाँ. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel जोड़ी on camera. आज मैं आई हूँ इंडिया हेल्थ एक्सपो में जो लगा हुआ है यशोभूमि सेक्टर 25 द्वारका में from 13 June to 15th of June. So this expo is all about India healthcare और healthcare industry में जो भी हमें equipment supply करते हैं वो सब vendors अंदर मिलेंगे. Those who are into stretchers, manufacturers of orthopedic instrument and pediatric equipment और भी बहुत कुछ. So अंदर चलते explore करते हैं और हम इतनी अच्छी videos आपके लिए informative videos बना के लाते हैं. तो शुरू करने से पहले ही आप सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड लेट्स गो इनसाइड. सो अब अंदर आ गई हूँ मैं और अंदर चल के मेरे को काफ़ी सारे यहाँ पे स्ट्रेचर्स दिख रहे हैं और सर्जिकल आइटम्स दिख रहे हैं, बॉडी मेजरिंग मशीन्स दिख रही हैं. So let's go and start exploring. So the first stall we've come to is OrthoCare और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मुझे rods and plates दिख रही है. तो पूछते हैं मिस्टर
Kushal Bhatia.
मिस्टर कुशल से कि ये क्या क्या है. हाँ जी. What is OrthoCare all about?
Very good evening. We are from OrthoCare, a company working since 1994, and we are one of the leading manufacturers of medical device. And our specialty is orthopedic implant.
Okay.
We are manufacturing of orthopedic implant and we are catering somewhere around 45 countries.
Okay.
And in India we are somewhere around 65 dealers.
Wow.
So we have material of titanium and stainless steel.
Achha.
Both range we have with us.
Okay. So what all are these? These are the
Plates basically.
plates. जैसे accident हो
Yeah,
जाता
in
है.
case of you met with an accident
Yeah.
or somebody beaten by his wife, so maybe he got some fractures. So in that case you can use these plates.
Okay. So, acha, and what is the difference between these plates and those plates?
Only material. This is from titanium and this is stainless steel. This
Okay.
material is MRI compatible and this
Achha.
material is not MRI compatible. If this is
Oh.
implantation in the body, you cannot go for the MRI. But
Achha.
if it is in the body, then you can go for the MRI.
Oh, this. But then, why would anyone want to take those implants?
This is the price variation basically.
Achha,
This one is economical. This is on the higher side.
Okay.
So it depends on patient's economical condition.
Right.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between both of them? How much?
The price somewhere around double, you can say that.
Acha, it costs double.
Costs double, almost double.
Okay. And where all in Delhi do you supply?
We are supplying all major hospital like in Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital, Lok Nayak Hospital, Sushit Trauma Center we are supplying, Ambedkar Hospital we are supplying,
Achha.
and we are running the RC of all ESI hospitals, Delhi and Haryana, entire Haryana.
Okay.
So we have the rate contract with them.
Acha. So, what brings you here at India Health?
Basically the Informa. We are associated with Informa for last 20 years. They are organizing the Arab Health. We participate every year in Arab Health Dubai to meet good buyers.
Okay.
So the same motto they call us here so that we can find some new channel partners, some dealers and few
Achha.
new surgeons and doctors in the hospitals. That's why we are here.
Oh, that's great.
These all the instrumentation sets are there
Achha.
which used for the surgery.
Okay.
So without gun you can't use the bullets.
Acha.
So this is the gun basically and these are the bullets.
Acha, so you have to insert these with the help
Yeah,
of
with this.
Okay.
You cannot use this implant without this
Without
instrumentation.
these. Okay. Right. Okay, and this is your card.
This is our business card.
Right. So, guys, you can connect with them at this mobile number
Yeah.
and the email ID and the websites. So now I'm standing at Devyog Impex Private Limited, and I can see some good stretchers. Or Mr. Tushar will tell us more about the company. So hello.
Hi.
What is Devyog Impex all about?
So we are a 23-year-old company,
Okay.
and we basically have two verticals in our healthcare business.
Uh-huh.
So we import quite a bit of devices and distribute all over India.
Okay.
And all the major hospitals we are doing that. And our equipments are usually in the range in ICU and OT. That's the field that we really
that's
cover.
the
Yeah.
niche.
And plus, apart from that, our second vertical is manufacturing of hospital furniture.
Acha.
Our unit is at Alwar, Rajasthan.
Okay.
And so we make the entire range from more sophisticated beds.
Okay.
Like these are 7 functional electrical beds to be used in ICUs,
Okay.
and to all kinds of furniture which there is used in the general hospital as well. Yeah.
Hospitals.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
that's okay.
what is the price range? You know what?
See, just for an
Okay.
example, a bed, it can be as simple as 5,000 rupees, can go up till 2 lakh rupees.
Okay.
It really depends how many features you're piling on in
Right.
it. Yeah.
Right. And you're Delhi based.
Yes,
Otherwise?
we're Delhi based. Yeah.
All right. And what all do you deal in otherwise, apart from the stretchers and?
So this covers the entire range. See, what happens is there are ward furnitures which are for patient rooms. So now patient rooms also these days you have deluxe rooms and you have general wards.
Right.
So there is marked difference in the kind of furniture you're using in all these
True,
places.
true.
So we cover that entire range.
Acha.
So some really exclusive beds, exclusive eating tables and food trolleys and everything we manufacture.
So
that.
that's from furniture to the stretchers, to
Yeah.
everything,
Everything,
the
yes,
machines
yes,
and
yes, yes,
everything.
absolutely.
All right, perfect.
It's a
So,
vast
how can hospitals and other people connect with you?
Well, they can just email to us. Our websites are there. It's devyog.in is our website.
Okay.
They can just go on that, fill up a form, or our email addresses are there. Just send us an email and we'll get back to you.
Perfect. So, what brings you here in the exhibition?
We are in this exhibition, India Health. Basically, is we're always looking for new friends, which we call distributors, our channel partners.
Right.
Since we distribute all over India,
Yeah.
and the types of hospitals also differ a lot.
Right.
So we're always on the lookout how many friends we can join in, and of course customers are coming. There are doctors as well who come here.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So
right.
that's the whole point.
So they also connect with you for all
Yes,
the purchases.
absolutely. Yeah.
Perfect. So guys, you can connect with them. He shared the email ID, they've shared the websites, and they have good machines that we can see here. The stretchers, which have quite good features, and from all the ward furnitures and everything. So what is this?
This is a baby bassinet, and on this is an equipment. It's called a neonatal transport warming system.
Okay.
So what happens is sometimes when a neonate is born, so the body temperature falls down,
Right.
and the baby has to be transferred from one department to the other.
Right.
And so in this, it's absolutely transportable, no wires, nothing, and
Okay.
it's the baby is with the mother,
Yeah.
which is the most comfortable place to be, and you can carry it around. So it's that way.
So
yes.
you just have to warm it, keep it.
Yeah,
in-
keep the baby inside. It's made of such material that it warms up.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So from these two more machines, you can connect with Mr. Tushar and let's go ahead. So अब हम खड़े हैं Extra Electro Medicare company के आगे, and this company deals with the baby incubators and baby pediatric instrument. So यहाँ पे I can see the premature baby incubator. और मिस्टर राजेश
हाँ जी
बताएंगे हमें कि क्या
एक्चुअली
क्या
हम
है.
लोग पीडियाट्रिक इक्विपमेंट बनाते
हाँ
हैं
जी.
जो कि प्री मेच्योर बेबी जो टाइम से पहले पैदा होते हैं
राइट.
उनके लिए बनाई जाती हैं. जैसे
हाँ जी.
ये इंक्यूबेटर है जो बहुत वीक बच्चा पैदा होता है उसको रखते हैं. उसके बाद ये होते हैं रेडिएंट हीट वार्मर हैं सारे कई तरह के
ओके.
अलग अलग तरह के मॉडल हैं. मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
हाँ जी.
ये रेडिएंट हीट वार्मर है.
ओके.
इसमें बच्चा रखते हैं और इसमें हीटर चलता है
ओके.
और जितना टेम्परेचर सेट करेंगे उस टेम्परेचर के ऊपर बच्चे का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रखा जाता है.
ओके.
और इसमें ये होता है कि इसको हेड अप हेड डाउन करना होता है बच्चे को दबाने के उठाने के लिए. ऐसे उठा के टिल्ट कर सकते हैं
अच्छा.
क्योंकि बच्चे को कई बारी टेढ़ा करके जरूरत होती है.
ओके.
ये एक तरह का टच कंट्रोलर है. ये टच कंट्रोल सिस्टम के अंदर है. यही मॉडल है लेकिन थोड़ा इसका अपग्रेड है.
ओके.
ये होता है हमारा बबल सी पैप है. जिन बच्चों के लंग्स बचपन में पैदा होते काम नहीं करते तो उनको एक हेल्प देते हैं और एयर और ऑक्सीजन मिक्स करके.
अच्छा.
तो उसको बबल्स के थ्रू उसको लंग्स को रीएक्टिवेट करते हैं.
ओके.
हाँ जी. ये भी वही वार्मर है. थोड़ा इसका अलग.
ये जॉन्डिस के टाइम भी यूज
हाँ,
होता है
जॉन्डिस
ना?
वाले के लिए फुट थेरेपी होती है.
ओके.
ये बेबी फुट थेरेपी है.
अच्छा.
इसमें लाइट लगी नहीं हुई, इसमें लाइट जलती है,
हाँ
ब्लू लाइट जलती है, अभी
Right.
आपको चला के भी दिखा देते हैं।
ओके
ठीक है, ये लाइट होती है,
Right.
बच्चे को रखते हैं 3 दिन 4 दिन, जब तक उसके लंग्स उसका लिवर नहीं काम स्टार्ट करना शुरू हो जाता है ना, तब तक उसका रखा जाता है इसके अंदर।
ओके
तो ये फोटोथेरेपी होती है, इसको
Treatments के
फोटोथेरेपी
लिए।
बोलते हैं।
राइट
ठीक है, बस ये सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं हमारे बेबी केयर के।
राइट। और इनकी क्या रेंज होगी?
ये हमारे स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं 24-25 हज़ार से स्टार्ट होके अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 लाख रुपए तक का मॉडल है। ये सबसे हाईएस्ट टॉप मॉडल है।
अच्छा
ये हाई एंड लो मॉडल है।
ओके
ये अगर जिस कंट्रीज के नर्सें छोटी हैं, किसी से बड़ी हैं,
हाँ,
ये उनके हिसाब से, कि हमें पता नहीं है कि कौन कितना यहाँ तो 5 फुट 5.5 फुट के लोग हैं, किसी के देश में 7 फुट के लोग हैं, किसी में 4.5 फुट
अच्छा
5 फुट
तो ये उस हिसाब ऊपर
एडजस्ट कर लेता है।
राइट राइट। और आपका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है वो दिल्ली ही है?
दिल्ली बवाना में हमारी फैक्ट्री है।
ओके
हाँ जी।
सो वो आप इधर कैसे आए, इधर इंडिया केयर में, इंडिया हेल्थ?
नहीं, हम हर जितनी भी एग्जीबिशन होती है, हम हर एग्जीबिशन होते हैं।
अच्छा
हम मार्केट के इस फील्ड के मतलब टॉप 10 लीडर्स, 10 जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में उनके अंदर हमारा नाम है।
ओके
तो उसके अंदर इस चक्कर में हम हर एग्जीबिशन में ये हमें कांटेक्ट करते हैं, हम हर एग्जीबिशन स्टॉल लगाते हैं।
तो यहाँ अवेयरनेस भी होती है और आपको और
हाँ
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स
बिल्कुल
भी
बिल्कुल,
मिल
हमें
जाते
डीलर्स
हैं।
नए डीलर्स
Dealers
मिलते हैं, नए कस्टमर मिलते हैं।
ग्रेट। सो अगर और किसी को आपके साथ कनेक्ट करना है, किसी न्यू हॉस्पिटल और डीलर, वो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
वो हमें नॉर्मली एग्जीबिशन में मिलते हैं, हमें फ़ोन करते हैं, हम उनको अपना प्राइस देते हैं, फिर वो हमें ऑर्डर्स देते हैं, हम उनको माल सप्लाई करते हैं।
तो आप मुझे मेरे साथ भी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स अपनी शेयर कर दीजिए।
मेरा कंपनी का नाम है हमारी जो ब्रांड नेम है मेडिट्रिक है, और हमारा फ़ोन नंबर है 9810250694।
So guys, whoever is in this field and in need of such equipment can connect with Mr. Rajesh Dhingra at these numbers, and there's the email ID also and the website. So आप कनेक्ट करके इनसे मिस्टर राजेश से कांटेक्ट कर लीजिएगा। So अब हम खड़े हैं AP Enterprises के सामने and you can see these are the
lead aprons.
okay, so you have to wear them while going for an X-ray. So Mr. Bharat will give us more details about it. Hello. ये क्या क्या है ये जैसे?
Ma'am, this is lead aprons for X-ray, cath lab, C-arms.
Okay.
All radiological accessories we are dealing. We are
Achha.
manufactured for this.
Okay.
Radiological accessories like lead aprons, X-ray accessories like small hangers, production screens,
Okay.
and LED view box. We are manufactured for this. Ultrasound papers
अच्छा.
and all radiological accessories we are dealing.
Okay.
And 2 products we are manufactured for here in Delhi: lead aprons and X-ray view box.
Okay. So अच्छा. Otherwise, you are from Delhi.
We are from Delhi. We are from
Okay.
Delhi.
All right. So and where are you based in Delhi?
Dwarka.
All right. So these are the X-ray aprons.
Yes, these are the aprons, and this is the color options.
अच्छा. That you have. different
Yes,
colors.
15 to 20 colors we have.
Okay.
And this apron stands stainless steel.
अच्छा. This is
Yes,
also.
this is all colors. And this specialist color and this inner material is lighter in weight. Normally lead apron
Okay.
weight is 8 kg. This is half almost 50% weight.
अच्छा.
This is 4 kg almost.
Okay. Okay. And what will be
Warranty.
the price ranges of this?
Price range starting is 5,000.
Okay.
Normally big companies price almost double,
Okay.
and inner material is almost same.
अच्छा.
Inner material almost same, and price difference, only price difference.
So your
And
price
warranty is
5,000.
also double.
अच्छा.
Warranty is also double. Big
Alright.
companies give 1 year warranty, will give 2 years warranty.
Wow. So आप कौन से हॉस्पिटल्स या कहाँ सप्लाई
मैम ऑल ओवर इंडिया Cloud9 की ब्रांचेस हैं हमारे पास,
Okay.
केयर हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, एंड मैनी स्मॉल हॉस्पिटल्स वी हैव.
अच्छा. And
And normally we are dealing with like some companies,
अच्छा.
some big companies like Prognosis, Diagnostics, and many more companies we have.
तो यहाँ पे आप डीलरशिप के लिए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Yes, we are searching for this.
राइट अराउंड दिल्ली एंड
Yeah, Delhi NCR.
ठीक है सो परफेक्ट सो गाइस यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम और आप इफ़ यूर इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री, अगर आपके पास आप हॉस्पिटल्स क्लिनिक्स या एक्सरे क्लिनिक्स चला रहे हैं तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम. मिस्टर भरत के साथ आप कनेक्ट करो फॉर ऑल योर परचेजेस, एक्सरे एक्सेसरीज एंड एक्सरे एप्रन नीड्स. सो अगर आपको आपके साथ कनेक्ट करना है कैसे कर सकते हैं लोग?
You can connect by mobile, and we have our own website in the
Okay.
name of Life Kiran. This is
Life?
our Life Kiran.
Life
This is our
Kiran.
own brand. LYFKEERN.
ओके. सो
Yes.
lifekiran.com.
Yes, lifekiran.com.
ओके. और आप
This is our
अपना
own.
नंबर भी शेयर कर दो.
Yeah, my number is 9811 579691. My
Perfect.
name is Bharat Arora.
Right.
This is our
And
catalog.
This is the catalog that they deal in. This has all the information of the X-ray aprons and accessories that they have. So there's gloves, there's thyroid shields,
Thyroid shields.
and some leg guards.
एंड हम कस्टमाइज भी कर देते हैं एप्रन्स जो है
अच्छा,
हम कस्टमाइज भी कर देते हैं.
Perfect. So you can connect with them at these details. So अब हम खड़े हैं मेडिशाइन लाइफ केयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के पास और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वाइप्स हैं फ्रॉम किड वाइप्स टू वजाइनल वाइप्स एंड नेल पेंट रिमूविंग वाइप्स, बहुत कुछ है. सो अंदर पूछते हैं इनसे क्या क्या है. सो योर गुड नेम?
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Priyanka Garg. I am from Medishine Life Care Private Limited.
Okay.
We are the manufacturer of wet wipes.
Okay.
And my company is basically based from Gujarat, Ahmedabad.
Okay.
Okay, and we are dealing in different categories of wipes like bed bath wipes that particularly used in hospitals.
Acha.
These are the refreshing wipes, mainly youngsters and everyone we are generally used.
To remove the makeup and the
Makeup
dirt.
removal is the different one.
Acha, that's
This one is the
different.
makeup removal wipes.
Okay.
And this one is baby wipes
Okay.
for extra moisturizing and softness of baby skin.
Okay. So you have all these wipes and you all it's all manufactured in Ahmedabad.
Yeah,
only.
right. Along with that, we are also doing customization packaging,
Okay.
like as per client's requirement,
Okay.
what kind of artwork they require with their brand.
Acha.
All these are my OEM based clients. Baby care.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is Blue Mist. In that 80 pulls packaging we have in baby wipe.
Okay. All right. So you supply to hospitals?
Yeah, this one currently we are supplying in hospitals.
Okay.
We are mainly tie up already with some of hospital units.
Okay.
Along with that, also we are working on that also.
Okay. So how, like, where is your clientele based? Is it only in
No, it's
Ahmedabad?
my client base most probably on the south side,
Okay.
mainly in Maharashtra, or else pan India we are supplying as per client's requirement.
Okay. All right. So and
These
what
are the canisters. Basically, like corporate clients, some have orders now for gifting purpose.
Okay.
For that we are doing. It's in a canister form.
Okay.
Journals, they are the wipes with their brand packaging.
Okay.
We are doing.
Acha, these are wipes
But-
only in cans.
Yeah, in canister form, these are the wipes,
All right.
particularly for corporate gifting.
Corporate gifting
Yes.
types. Okay. So what's the range for your wipes? You know, the price ranges. It starts from.
Actually, it depends on basically client's requirement.
Okay.
Like in my brand, they require or in customization.
Acha.
So pricing and quotation will be
Will
accordingly.
vary that way
yeah.
only. And what are these are the swabs, alcohol swabs?
Yeah, this one is the alcohol swab, and these two are like my out of India client, UK clients products. They are the pet wipes.
Okay. All right. So you export the wipes
Yeah.
also. All right. So what brings you here? You are looking out for dealerships and distributors?
Actually, you can say that because currently at our level we are managing all these. So particularly for this segment, we are looking if anyone is interested for dealership and that network we want to expand.
Okay, perfect. And how can people connect with you?
Yeah, for this you have my brochure as well as my visiting cards. In that complete details you will get.
Okay.
If you want to connect me, like this one is my number.
Okay. So this is Miss
407.
Priyanka
So if you have any
Garg's number.
inquiry about the product, then you can contact us.
Right. So guys, those who are into this industry, for manufacturing and trading the wipes and supplying them to hospitals or supplying them to other dealers, you can connect with Miss Priyanka here at this number and get them customized also. So अब हम खड़े हैं KK इंडस्ट्रीज के सामने और यहाँ पे कुछ डिफरेंट है. समथिंग दैट इज़ यूज्ड व्हाइल लर्निंग मेडिकल. अगर आप मेडिकल लाइन में हो तो आपको जैसे एक्सप्लेन करनी होगी चीज़ें, वो कैसे करी जाएगी वो बताएंगे हमें मिस
Monica.
Monica. So Miss Monica, what is KK Industries all about?
We are all about medical education, medical training purpose only.
Okay.
Okay, so all our products are related to medical educational training, which are used mainly by all the nursing colleges, medical colleges, whoever is into medical teaching, they use our products.
Right, right.
So these are all simulators for teaching the procedures in a real-like situation.
Right.
Like the upcoming doctors or nurses, they can practice on the simulators instead of practicing on real patients,
Okay.
hurting the patients and like that. So they can practice beforehand on these simulators,
Okay.
and then they can go for the training,
real life.
the real
Okay.
skills.
So can you just show me around what all you have here, the products that you have?
Yeah, these are all for injection training. Like
Acha.
sometimes you might have experienced that you visit a doctor, somebody comes to give you an injection, but they are not trained properly. They are finding the veins,
Yes.
they are hurting you.
Yes.
So these are for all that learning.
Okay.
Okay, so they can learn how to find the vein.
Acha.
Like this is all skin like soft.
Acha.
So they can find the vein, they can insert
The
the IV
needle.
line, the
Right.
needle, and for phlebotomy, when they take out your blood for testing and all,
Yes.
so they can learn how to find the vein, how to clean it, how to take out the blood from it.
Perfect.
So it can be connected with the, here we haven't connected it, but you can connect it to a blood bag, can make the blood flow in all the veins.
Right.
Then it comes like a real arm.
Real life like situation.
Yeah.
And what all are those?
Those are all organ models, demonstration purpose. Like they tell us about the ear, inner
Acha.
parts of the ear, that
Okay.
is for lung.
Alright.
This is the eye model,
Acha.
nasal cavity model, teeth model. These are also all simulators.
Okay.
This is torso model. Like we can open it and study the inside structure.
All right. What all is placed there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can take out all the things and can put back.
Wow.
So it's a good teaching aid for students. The study becomes interesting while using all these things. Na?
Right.
If you're just giving the bookish knowledge, that sometimes becomes boring.
Very monotonous.
So that becomes monotonous. So using these items makes it interesting.
Wow, that's very nice. And this actually makes me feel that, if you give this to a child, he'd just take out something and just put it
Yeah,
back.
puzzle-like thing.
Right, more of a puzzle-like thing.
Yeah, that's mini skeleton. Very interesting thing for the student, for the
Right.
kids. even.
Yes.
These are all pathological models, like for patient education. When you visit a doctor tells you, you have a problem here, we
Yes.
are going to treat it like this.
Right.
So these are all for
So
that
even
purpose.
doctors take
Yeah,
it to explain it
yeah.
to the patients. Perfect. So this is actually very, valuable learning. And what brings you here? You want, you are wanting to increase the awareness of your products and looking out for visitors, right?
Everywhere we visit, try to visit every fair. Whenever there is a medical fair, we come to know about it, we try to visit it. Even outside India, we visit a lot of times and
Yes.
we display our products.
Oh, that's great. So how do people connect with you? The colleges, the nursing homes, how can they get in touch with you?
Yeah, I
Details?
can share my card. You
Yeah.
can show the visiting card.
So guys, this is their number and the email IDs, the address also. So you can connect with Mr. Ranjan and Miss Monica for all your educational equipment need. So ये सब ये खुद manufacture करते हैं यहीं पे दिल्ली में?
No, we have a factory outside Delhi.
Okay.
It's not in norms in Delhi, so it's outside Delhi.
It's outside Delhi. So ये इनकी अपनी manufacturing है बाहर और यहाँ पे आप और भी बहुत कुछ देख सकते हो. They have a lot of training and teaching things here. So now we are at Sansu MediSearch Private Limited, India Private Limited, and here I can see laparoscopic equipment, and the company is Ahmedabad based. So Mr. Tarun ji. So Tarun ji, ये क्या है और किस में use आते हैं?
Yeah, these are laparoscopic goods. Basically, when you perform the procedure by laparoscopically
Surgery.
instead of
right.
the open surgery procedure, there are two types of procedures. One is open surgery, and one is laparoscopically.
Right.
So these we manufacture the goods of laparoscopically procedure. which uses it.
Okay.
Like, and we have these are trocars
Okay.
through which one can make the hole in the stomach
Okay.
and do the surgery.
Right.
These are disposables. Then these are graspers. These are the long instruments. So with the surgeon do the surgery when you have to perform the laparoscopic surgery.
Right.
You need the longer instruments.
Longer instrument. True.
Right. And then these are the reusable range. Then these are the clippers. These are vessel clippers.
Okay. To take out things and insert.
We have to clip up the vessels. Otherwise, patient can die.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you are taking out some specimen out of someone, so all the vessels, all the blood vessels should be sealed properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So these are sealers. Then these are some stapling range as well. We have stapling range.
Okay.
These are internal
the
staplers.
staplers.
Yeah. These are staplers.
Staple the
Yeah,
parts.
internal vessels. We have
Right.
to staple the internal vessels. Then these are some of the reusable products. These are also laparoscopically goods. These are graspers. This is some lever retractors. And the
Alright.
second instrument, second and
These
fifth instrument there. The metallic one is that is lever retractor.
Okay. So you supply to hospitals and clinics.
Yeah, we supply to the hospitals. We supply to the government hospitals, defense hospitals, and
Okay.
private institutions as
All
well.
over India or just in
All over India.
throughout India?
Yeah.
Okay. And what brings you here in India Health?
India Health is a good platform to exports and it's a good platform. Let's see, it's just started
To connect with some
to
dealers.
connect with some distributors.
distributors
Yeah,
and dealers.
many big distributors are coming.
Okay. So you've
So
had some
to grow the
inquiries
business.
about it?
Yes, we have. We have.
So, and how much does the price range for your instruments?
For our instruments, the price range is quite comfortable. It's in the range of our motto is to supply it economically according to the customer, according to the patient as well. Because the MRP should not be so big that the customer cannot buy.
Right.
Or it will be, he has to buy because
Yeah.
these are medical products.
Right.
But it should be in the limits.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you take care of that also.
Yes. Yeah.
Perfect. So, in case
photo
hospitals
later.
or some dealers wish to connect with you, do they have a minimum requirement or they can purchase?
No, not for the hospitals.
Not for hospitals. They can take as much as they
Yes,
want.
yes.
Okay. And just share your contact details so then people can connect with you.
Yeah. My mobile number is 9899
Mm-hmm.
600 512
Okay.
and these are our mail ID. You
Okay.
can take the picture and this is our clientele which we are already supplying to many hospitals.
Okay.
Directly. Yeah.
So they have good clientele that they supply to Sir Gangaram Hospital, RML Hospital, AIIMS Patna, Base Hospital, Military Hospital.
These are some of the hospitals because
very nice. Fine. So guys, laparoscoping instruments के लिए आप इधर आ सकते हैं, इनसे connect कर सकते हैं and you can purchase these equipment. So guys, this was India Health Expo जो लगा हुआ है जून 15 तक. आज फर्स्ट डे हमने कवर किया आपके लिए और काफ़ी सारे वेंडर्स दिखाए आपको. Those who deal into surgical equipment, stretchers and wipes and pediatric equipment, बहुत कुछ है. So सबकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स भी आपके साथ शेयर करी है. कनेक्ट विद देम एंड आप इस इंडस्ट्री में जिन्होंने डीलरशिप लेनी है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप लेनी है, इनके साथ कनेक्ट करो. आप अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो. Since this is a B2B event, so we've covered it entirely for you all. And for more such content, subscribe to our channel Jodi on Camera, share our videos with your friends and family, and we'll see you very soon with new content. Take care of yourself till then. Bye.